Today we will learn some more standing postures: Trikonasana, Parivritta Trikonasana and Parshvakonasana. Now the first one, Trikonasana. Sthiti, Tadasana. Spread the feet apart by about a meter. Inhale. Raise both hands horizontally, both sides. Exhale. Bend right side until right hand reaches the right foot. Left hand straight up, in line with the right hand. Palms face forward. See along the left hand fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Complementary. Inhale. Raise both hands horizontally, both sides again. Exhale. Bend left side until left hand reaches the left foot. Right hand straight up, in line with left hand. Palms face forward. See along the right hand fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Relax with Shithila Tadasana. Benefits: strengthen the calf and thigh muscles, corrects the curvature of back, strengthens the waist muscles and makes the spine flexible. Limitations: recent abdominal surgery, slip disc or sciatica may avoid this posture. Now the second one, Parivritta Trikonasana. Sthiti, Tadasana. Spread the legs apart by a meter. Inhale, both hands up sidewise. Exhale, the right hand is taken down outside of the left foot. Left hand up to the vertical. Turn the face up. Look at the fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Complementary. Inhale, both hands up, sidewise. Exhale, the left hand taken down outside of the right foot. Right hand up to the vertical. Turn the face up. Look at the fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Relax with Shithila Tadasana. Benefits: gives rotation movements to the spine, improves the functioning of kidneys and strengthens the thigh muscles. Limitations: people with spinal problems, heart problems and high BP may avoid this posture. Now the third one, Parshvakonasana. Sthiti, Tadasana. Spread the legs apart by 1.5 meter. Turn right foot right side. Exhale. Bend the right knee. Trunk rest on the right thigh. Place the right hand on the ground beside the right foot. Inhale. Stretch the left arm over the head. Biceps touching the left ear. Look at the tips of the left hand fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, return to Sthiti. Complementary. Spread the legs apart about 1.5 meter. Turn left foot left side. Exhale. Bend the left knee. Trunk rests on the left thigh. Place the left hand on the ground beside the left foot. Inhale. Stretch the right hand over the head. Biceps touching the right ear. Look at the tips of the right hand fingers. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale. Return to Sthiti. Release with Shitila Tadasana. Relax with Shitila Tadasana. Benefits. Relax with Benefits. Expands the thorax, strengthens the thighs, prevents back pain, stimulate internal organs. Limitations. People with cardiac problems may avoid this posture. Thank you to all.